Hi, thanks for watching my channel. I wanted to show you this paper airplane maker. This is really nice. It comes with 12 airplane models, and they're very beautiful and colorful, as you can see on here. I think this is great for kids to do. As you can see, its age is 3 plus. And let me show you the back of it. One thing I like about this is that each plane you can click on the this here, the coding thingy, the QR code, and it would take you to a video and it would show you exactly how to make the airplane, which I think is so cool. So let me show you on the inside. I like the packaging too. It's very sturdy. It's easy to stay together. As you can see, there are all kinds of the designs here. So kids, I think, would have really a good time making different stuff. Just kind of show you. So it comes with very, all of them are different. A nice variety. And I did one myself and it came out really nice. I went to the video and I did step by step. I actually did this one here. I did that one. So the video is nice. You can stop and pause it or, kind of rewind. This is the one that I did. So my grandkids are very anxious to start trying one. So I'm going to let them do one and then we'll see how they like it. So it was easy to do following. I'm a very visual person. And that's how it came out. So I think this is kind of a fun idea for kids. You want to get them off the electronics, something that they can do and they can create with their hands. And I will leave the link in the description. Katie, can we show you the video? Solo?
Sure.
Okay, so here's the verdict of the paper planes. I did this with one of my grandsons. My grandsons are ages 7 and 10. So my oldest one is very good at creating things. He did try to do some on his own, but then I had him to go through the video and we did it step by step. So real small kids, I doubt will be able to do this. You can, and this is just one that they kind of made on their own. It's not the one in the book. So I think that if someone likes to follow videos, this is great for them to do. If they are not patient, my oldest one really wanted a step-by-step picture one. He's used to doing that. So he didn't have as much interest, but when I walked it through the video, because you have to constantly stop the video, make sure you see what they're doing, because the video does go fast, but you can, make it bigger. You can, go step by step and keep pausing it to do it. So it all depends on the type of child. If they're determined, they don't mind instructions, they don't mind following, taking their time. It does require patience to see where they're folding. I think they do a good job, but sometimes you may miss something, you're not sure what they're doing. Then the kids could get impatient, especially if they're real little kids. I don't see a 3-year-old doing this, to be honest. So, but that's my take on the paper airplanes. I still like them. I think they're fun. I'm still going to encourage them to try some more because we have a whole bunch of them. Maybe they can do some with their friends. And that's it. Again, I will share the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching.